Oh, hello, friends.
Hello, friends.
Oh, hey, what's happening?
What's going on, friends?
Oh, yeah, I was talking to my viewers. You're on the show?
How you doing?
All right.
Mechacon.
So y'all on the show.
Okay.
So sign everything.
It's good going great.
Oh.
Got that cash money out, you know?
All right.
Getting bonds and stuff. Go your con, man.
All right, but by the way, you're on the show on the archives and the Facebook Live.
Facebook Live, baby.
And YouTube, yeah? And YouTube, yeah?
Come on up.
All right. I hope you watch the show, yeah? Hello. So y'all doing? So y'all feel about the last Mechacon?
Yeah, it was a bit of a downer.
Oh yeah,
It was a bit of a downer that it got canceled.
Yeah, I'm so glad to be here though.
No, yeah.
Domino 866. All right. So anyway, how y'all doing? All right. So, oh look who came back, my other guest. Oh, I'm back. All right, I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so you see, back at Comic-Con. I'm sorry about the situation. How y'all doing? So how y'all feel about the last year of Comic-Con? I mean, Mechacon.
We didn't go last year.
Huh?
We went years ago.
Okay, would y'all like to be on the show? Y'all on the show?
I'm okay.
Huh? What?
I'm good.
Oh, all right. I'm sorry. So all right, y'all have a nice day. Yeah? All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen. So anyway, as I was saying though, people are excited and sad about Mechacon going to a complete close. You know. So anyway, hey, how y'all doing? Y'all on the show. So how y'all feel? Since how y'all feel about Mechacon going to a complete close forever?
I mean, it's upsetting, but it's not really we can much do about it.
No, nobody can do about it. All right, so I must say though, I'm sad about it though. Now I'm on my recording. All right, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show. All right, we're here with some folks. All right, so let me switch this around. All right, so anyway, I know y'all sad about it. Do y'all go to Comic-Con sometime?
I haven't been able to go to it.
Been to Lafayette Comic Con a couple times.
No, I ain't talking about Lafayette. I come New Orleans Wizard World.
I haven't been to Baltimore.
Oh yeah, so it's gonna be in January, you know. So I hope y'all enjoy yourselves, you know. So I'll be here the full weekend. So look for Dominoes 7, yeah. It's from last year and the year before. All right. So how y'all doing? All right, y'all on the Dominoes 7 show. All right. Okay. So let's see what's happening over here. You know. Oh, this must be some kind of movie they got. You know. Excuse me, is this kind of movie they got? I'm talking about on the screen.
Wait, what about it?
Is this some kind of movie or something that you guys showing?
No, it's a tournament. Yeah. When the people go play on the stage, it'll show up on that screen. Right now, the commentators are talking to the.
Oh, okay. Would y'all like to be on the show? Oh no, Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. All right, y'all have a nice day. Yeah? All right. So over here. Here's the Super Smash Brothers. Is Super Smash Brothers U? So I assume this is Super Smash Brothers U. Is it?
Yeah, it's Smash Bros. Yeah.
Oh, all right. I have that at home. I haven't played it in a while. And y'all on a Dominoes 7 show. I say y'all on a Dominoes 7 show. All right, it's on YouTube, yeah, and Facebook Live. So they. Oh, game set. So you won or you won?
What is that?
Yeah, who won?
I did.
Oh, all right. Congratulations. All right, make sure y'all watch the show, yeah. All right. It's gonna be on YouTube, the Dominoes 7 show Mechacon. Mechacon one last time, yeah. All right. So they screenshot for tournaments and everything, you know. I'll be right back on this one. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to apologize. Oh, hey, what's up? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to apologize for my Facebook Live shutting down and skipping like that, you know. So, oh, hey, what's happening? Well, I thought he was waving at me, but anyway, y'all, as I was saying, y'all, much as I've been doing my show and stuff like that and everything. So anyway, I apologize for the skip, you know. So let's go over here and see what's happening over here. They're having a sword fight. The sword fight over here. Oh, let's go check it out. This got to be entertaining, you know. All right. I'm gonna catch this with my other camera. Oh. All right. Oh. Wow. That's another one over. I must say, ladies and gentlemen, this is really fun, a fun time, you know, and they selling weapons right here and everything. How you doing? All right. Oh, so this is what they're using, right?
I mean, these are personal weapons. There's practice weapons over there.
Oh, practice weapons. Oh, all right. So yeah, I like the sword fights though. I mean, I'm so glad to be alive. Yeah, and by the way, I'm doing the show right now, but I'm not gonna put you on if y'all want me to put you on. So y'all want me on?
I mean, no,
Well, I ain't gonna put you on. All right, so anybody else I ain't gonna put on though, you know. Yep, so much love in this place, you know. I'm so proud to be here, you know. Everybody's smiling, happy, and everything. Everything is good up in here, you know. Friendship, everything, you know. Too bad Kristen and Allie ain't here. Kristen will cry if. Oh, and this is Mario Kart Double Dash. This is my favorite one.
Double Dash is the best one.
Huh?
Double Dash is the best one.
Oh yeah, a 2-2-1 car, right?
Yeah.
All right, all right. You're on a Dominoes 7 show.
Hell yeah, nice.
All right, this is Facebook Live. This is a recording, the episode. So somebody over there playing Super Smash Brothers.
You're doing the rain.
Oh, he's focused.
I said, are you doing to the?
Oh yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Last night.
Oh, you saw me yesterday, right?
I sure did.
Oh yeah, now you're back on the show now.
I sure am. I'll be in the tournament later.
Huh?
I'll be in the tournament later.
Oh, what time that start?
In about 20 minutes.
Oh, 20 minutes. Okay. I'll try my best to be here because I got a lot of places to go in here.
I understand. You take your time.
All right.
It's going on for like an hour, so you got plenty of time.
Oh, okay. All right, and I know we talked about this yesterday that we are so sad that this is coming to a complete close forever.
Yeah, I agree. I wish that this could have gone on for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Considering this is my first one.
Your first and last one, right?
My first and last, unfortunately, but that's how life goes. C'est la vie.
Yeah, c'est la vie. All right, so the episode that I did yesterday has been uploaded.
Okay.
I uploaded it yesterday.
All right.
No, this morning.
All right.
Because I came home late.
Okay. The channel was Dominic 668, right?
Domino
Domino.
866.
I wonder why I couldn't find it.
Oh.
I'm gonna write that down right now.
All righty.
Domino
Well, it's time for a commercial break on this one. All right, so anyway, All right, I'm about to stop this live stream on the Facebook, so I'll see y'all on the next one, day 2.